In this session, we are going to go through how to perform a hand-tie square knot. All you need is a shoelace, a pen or pencil, and a cup of tea. We'll start with taking your shoelace and sliding it under your pen, because we're going to perform the knot around your pen. As you can notice, there are two sides of the shoelace, and one side is shorter and the other side is much longer. A square knot has two throws. We will start performing the first throw by picking up the shorter end with your left hand. In this position, I am picking the shorter end with my left hand and pinching it between my thumb and middle finger. Apart from that, my fingers are forming a V shape, with the string, or shoelace in this case, looping over and going down the way. At any point, if you get lost or confused and would like to start over, always come back to this position where you're holding the string between your thumb and middle finger and forming this V shape. Good. Once we're happy with that, we can now move on and take the right hand long side of the shoelace and loop it over next to the index finger like that. It will sit next to each other, and at this point I would like to draw your attention to my index finger on my left hand. It will act as a hook to this shorter end. So once again, if you just focus on my index finger, we're going to loop the right hand side over like that, and the index finger now becomes the hook, and it will hook under, over, and into the loop here. And once you're in the loop, you release your thumb and middle finger and try and catch that at the back, and you tighten your first knot. And as you can see, it sits very nicely because it is formed in the correct manner. Good. Now moving on to the second throw. Once again, you start with your left hand, but this time your shoelace or suture will be going under and up the way. It is no longer a V shape, and the shoelace is having this kind of direction, going down and up, and I'm pinching it between my thumb and index finger. This position is always the position when you want to start your second throw, or some people call it the backhand throw. Once you're happy with that, we're going to take the right hand side and loop it over the rest of your fingers. In the second throw, it is your middle finger that becomes the hook to this side. So once we loop it over here, you are going to hook with your middle hook and go under, over, again into the loop here. And once you're in the loop, release your thumb and index finger and try to catch it at the back and pull to tighten. And that is a square knot completed, because that is forming a square.